Hey everyone, have you ever thought about your life as an investment portfolio? It sounds a bit strange, but stick with me. Just like you wouldn't put all your money into one stock, you shouldn't put all your energy into just one area of your life. Diversification is the key to a rich and fulfilling life. Let's break it down into 4 key branches. First, the spiritual. This isn't necessarily about religion. It's about finding inner peace. Maybe through quiet meditation, a peaceful walk in nature, or just being fully present in the moment. Next up, the intellectual. Keep that brain of yours growing. Read a book you've been meaning to get to, learn a new skill online, or dive into a fascinating documentary. Always challenge your thoughts and expand your horizons. Then, there's the physical. Your body is your temple, so treat it right. Fuel it with nutritious food, and strengthen it with regular exercise. Remember, a strong body helps build a resilient mind. Finally, the social branch. We are social creatures wired for connection. Nurture your relationships with family and friends. Get involved in your community. These bonds are your ultimate support system. By balancing these 4 branches, you create a life portfolio that's not just successful, but truly meaningful. It's never too late to start diversifying. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more. See you next time.